everybody, I'm Natalie. Happy holidays. I'm so excited that I get to open day 2 of the Jenny box. I love the packaging. Those postcards are so cute. Oh my gosh, every year it just gets better and better. So let's see what's inside. All right, we've got day 2 packaged up here. It is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love it. These stickers are beautiful. Oh, I was trying not to rip it, but I did it anyways. Oh, look at how cute that is. So this is Clara. She's our 28mm rotary cutter. She comes in this cute little stocking shaped sleeve, red and blue, and it says, "We wish you a quilty Christmas." That is so cute. So she's gonna be perfect for doing all of those tiny little intricate curved cuts. Anytime where you are cutting something that's a little bit smaller, this is gonna be perfect. I love it so much, and I'm so glad we finally got a 28. I've been waiting for this for a long time. So I know it's only day 2, but this might be my favorite gift in the whole box, so we'll see. Happy holidays, everyone.